Hi guys, this is Crane Cylinder A4 here, back for another video today, and today for you guys, we have a Kasa smart switch for your house. So this is pretty cool. So it's a flex control um, light switch. You can control your fans, your lights around your house. So that's pretty cool. You can even schedule what time your lights come on, um, your away mode, so when you go on vacation, you can turn off the lights so far away. There's also an app that you can download for Apple or Android. So it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. And so now let's unbox it. Okay. Alright, so here it is. So here's the box. Even comes with this cover right here. That's pretty cool. And then here's the plate. So there's the plate. The light switch itself. So here's the smart switch. And um, it comes with these wires, which is the neutral wire, so this white one. Um, these two, which is the live and load for your energy, and your ground wire here, which is kind of nice. Now, um, if you're like a first time experiencer, like I am, I don't know anything about these light switches, but anyways, it's just something cool to review to you guys. So you just click it, and it'll turn on your light here, and then when you install it, it looks something like that, which is kind of nice. Um, it even comes with the caps. So here's the caps, the screws that come with it, and then that's pretty much it for the light switch boxing. It's not really much, but um, um, anyways, so with that being said, if it's voice activated, is what I call it. You can just say, Alexa, please turn on my lights, and it will turn all your lights on. Doesn't matter what light switch; it just has to be compatible with your Alexas and everything else. You can't go off doing another switch. And then, if you want to, you can get Hue light bulbs, which is at your local Walmart or on Amazon, or anywhere that carries light bulbs. That's pretty cool. And those are Alexa compatible and Google Assistant compatible. Anyways, so with that being said, I think it's pretty cool um, how smart things are getting in the future. Um, Also, it says here that's it's a smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. It's a smart Wi-Fi camera. So there's multiple different types of smarts that goes with this. Um, like I think you guys remember me doing my Wemo light switch for my lamp here that I use. Now that is pretty cool too. So that is also smart. It's also compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa as well. But if you want to hear more information, just go down to the video um, that I posted down in the comments. And then, anyways, so we, sorry about that, guys. My camera just fell. Just ignore that. Um, Anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate your guys' support on my YouTube channel. I know that I haven't been doing videos for the past 2 months or anything like that. But anyways, I also want to announce what I'm going to be doing from now on, or give you guys an option as viewers to see if you want me to do more food videos and more electronic videos. If you want me to do more electronic videos, please leave a comment down below saying, I want you to do electronics instead of food. Now, if you want me to do food, just say, I want you to do more food than electronics. Now that's your guys' decision as viewers, not mine. This guy's guiding me through the right direction. What our YouTube channel is going to grow in the future. Anyways, thanks for so much for watching, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys hope you see you in the next video. Peace.